Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video as well as a project share. So one of my coworkers asked me to make some onesies for a friend of hers who had a little baby boy. So I made 4 of them, and this first one is, I have the coolest mom, she stays up with me all night. It's black with white stars and moons and pacifiers, and this is actually, it looks like it's showing up a little bit gray, but it's a really pretty light blue in person, in real life. This next one is I'm Not Crying, I'm Ordering Dinner. This is a mint green with gray writing. And this one says Party Tonight, My Crib, BYOB. You can obviously tell this is gray. And then the last one says Daddy is Drinking Buddy. Beer in a bottle. Isn't that so cute? So those are the 4 that I made for her, and I will deliver them to her tomorrow. She only lives right down the street, so be nice and easy, but it was nice to be asked to do that. It was a lot of fun. She sent me some ideas, then I mocked up some things, and then Friday we went over colors. Okay, so next I want to show you guys what I got from Sassy and Crafty, and this is the second time I've ordered from them. I think their images are so stinking adorable. So I got the Chronic Pain Warrior set. This one is back in stock. And I love this sentiment, be gentle with yourself, you're doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. Because I feel like, even not as a chronic pain warrior, which I am, I have issues with my wrist, EDS I think they call it now. There's been lots of iterations with it. I've had RDS, I've had a lot of different things with my surgeries that have caused long-term effects. But I just thought this one was so adorable, and of course it had more meaning than just the adorable characters to me. This next one, I wanted this and it was out of stock. It's called Rad Party. How cute is this with a little skate on it? This is so 80s. So let me show you. I stamped out all the images on there and I just started to color this one. I wasn't crazy about the way that this came out. I was doing this up in my room and I had just the chow markers that I have, and then I didn't realize that I had the Ohuhu markers up in my room, so I kind of tried to fix it, but it's not too bad. And then I did the skate in the fluorescent colors from the Ohuhu markers, mainly the Ohuhu markers. But there's the rest of them stamped out so you can see. Look at that image, so darling, love that. Okay, and then the next 2 were bundles, and I'm not sure which stencil goes with which, so I'm just going to show you one of them. One of them is the Pickles bundle, and the other one, one is the Peaches Imagination bundle, and one is the Pickles Party bundle. So the Pickles Party bundle, I believe, is this one with the unicorns. I love it. Look at that rocker. Oops, sorry about the glare. And then it also came with a stencil, and I think this was the one that was paired with it, but I'm not positive. And I don't see it on their website now. I see the stencils and the stamps separately. And then this one would be the other one, which is the Peaches Imagination bundle. But I'm not sure if that's the one because it's not labeled and I don't really know. I guess I could look it up for you guys. But this is so cute. The zebra with the packages. I just love the zebras with the hat. And then here is one of the stencils, and I'm not sure which package it's from, so sorry about that, but they do have everything on their website individually. And then here's everything stamped out. Cute. So I'm going to color them. The rest of the night I am going to be working on some stuff with the Create and Inkspire kit. I have not gotten a chance to delve into that yet because of the things that were going on. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see him. That's Fred down there. I brought him downstairs tonight and, oh, sorry guys. Let me see if I can get this back to where it was. Sorry about that. I hope I didn't make anyone sick, seasick. But I did bring him downstairs tonight. He is doing much better. I put the mattress back on my bed. He jumped up onto the bed and made it. And then later on he jumped off of the bed, and I don't know if he jumped on the side with a mattress on it or the other side that didn't have the mattress. I just heard the thump and ran upstairs and he was off of the bed. So I'm hoping that this means that he is better. He's been walking a lot. He still hides a little bit, but he always did. He's not an overly friendly cat. Not that he's mean or anything. He's just not overly social. He gets afraid of people very easily, and when it was storming and stuff, he was hiding. So unlike Lucy, who's always around, and she'll probably be talking in a minute. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who reached out and asked about him, because we appreciate it, and he's doing so much better. We have a cardiologist appointment on Tuesday. And real quick, for those of you who may not know what happened last Friday, the 31st, I think it was, I came upstairs, I went to pick him up, and he couldn't walk. He kept falling over, and took him to the emergency vet, and they don't really know what's wrong with him. They did a bunch of tests, and the only thing that came back irregular was something with his heart. And now we're going to see the cardiologist to see if it is a blood clot that possibly got loose. I honestly think it was an ear infection, because just the way he is now, he recovered so quickly. So I'm hoping that's all it was, and that it wasn't a stroke or it wasn't anything, but he really has amazed me. He does more stuff each and every day. So I'll give you guys an update and let you know what's going on when we go to the cardiologist. But right now my crafting buddy is sitting next to me, and I'm super happy, and I can spend some time in the craft room today. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below, and I will get back to you. I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.